Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see how it looks like. So, okay, good enough. 0, 1, 2. Very good. So this shows how we can draw rectangles 3 times and also draw text. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. So, actually, today we're going to start a new series to make a sliding game called 8 Puzzle using Pyxel. Do you know what this kind of 8 puzzle or sliding puzzle is? So we're gonna make it using game very lightweight uh, game engine Pyxel. So well, in the past I used it, but maybe for some um, viewers, this is the first time to see it. So Pixel, I'll make a link to this page in the description box. So anyway, there's a explanation here with simple specification inspired by retro gaming console. The author, a Japanese guy, made this Pixel engine. So it's a very easy to learn and easy to master. Very simple but powerful, with only 16 colors, limited number of texts, but it's useful. So to use that, let's start from the beginning. So maybe we can just start a new one, EL70. Uh, 8 puzzle. Draw 8 puzzle. Okay, maybe. Okay, so we don't need anything. So just make it empty. And then Control at mark, we can install pip. No, sorry. Pip install maybe minus large upper U and PYXEL, Pixel. And this will install the Pixel engine to your environment. So simple graphics and good UI for game development. Pip install Pixel. Sorry, this is wrong. Pixel. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, so let's simple graphics and good UI for game development. So we need to install it. Pip install minus U Pixel. So this will install the engine successfully, I guess. And this is very useful. So let's play with it. Um, so looking at the page, you can understand the basics of Pixel. But anyway, I will do everything from scratch. So just follow me. So to start that after installation, maybe there is a recommended framework or skeleton, which is here. So let's copy it. Uh, the second one with class wrapping. So just copy and paste it here. It will be the basic skeleton for the first one. So let's make it just size 60, x, x, x-axis is 60 and maybe 70. Okay, so the simple one is just like this. Nothing. Maybe we'd better yeah, and we can also make a title here. 8 puzzle. Sorry. 8 puzzle. Okay. And for future use, we need to pixel.mouse true. This might be helpful. Okay. And then just do today we're gonna start to draw a panel. So let's take a look. So frame rate initialize, then repeat. The basic use is just, it will be initialize, then update function and draw function method. Update method and draw method will be called alternatively at frame rate of typically 30 milliseconds. Okay, once in 30 milliseconds. So let's quickly make a very simple rectangle of, say, size, okay, 0, 0. So the rectangle, this will just, okay. So rect function will draw at coordinate x, y with width and height and color. So let's call it like this. Prepare panels with right numbers. App class initialization is like this. So here you need to understand that there's underscore underscore init underscore underscore init self. This is the typical instantiation, okay? And then one rectangle can be written as, so let's make the rectangle size. One side will be, say, we will break 60 into 3 cells, so it will be 20, okay? And so it will be like, say, size maybe -1, size maybe -1, so that we can have black background. And then color of, say, 6. Let's see what it looks like. So just run it. And you will have one panel here. So to have 3 panels, we can have just as usual, we can have I in range 3. So let's, for future use, let's declare n as 3. Okay. Maybe n. Well, fine. Okay. N 3. And then x coordinate could be size. Okay, x coordinate could be I times sz. Okay, y could be just 0. And we can draw rectangles x and y here. So we will have 3 pixels here. Okay, just here's a 1 pixel gap here. That seems fine. And also, we can write characters, strings, by text. Okay, position is x plus maybe 8, y plus 8. And we need to write change to string class, the I. And the color is, for example, 1. Okay, let's see how it looks like. So, okay, good enough. 0, 1, 2. Very good. So this shows how we can draw rectangles 3 times and also draw text using text function. Okay, here, rectangle, and also, I guess there's text here. So where's text? Okay, here, text, x, y coordinate, and string, s, and in color. So of course, if you want, you can change colors using this color code here. The color code is from 0 to 15. Only so if you want dark blue instead of black, you can use 1 here instead of 0. Okay, yeah, we're using 1. If you change it to 2, it will be in dark purple, I guess. Ah, yeah, it's still open. So yeah, it will be like this. So it's as you like. Okay, fine. So maybe this is a good introduction to, yeah, to start of Pyxel, drawing with Pyxel. So we used rectangle rect function and also text function. So next work, maybe homework. Try to complete a 3 by 3 pixel board like this, using these functions. And we'll come back to here and then draw something more about 8 puzzle. Okay? About 8 puzzle, of course, I can show you the Wikipedia, for example, has entry for sliding puzzle and also 15 puzzle. So 8 puzzle is a kind of reduced version of 15 puzzle. So if you are not familiar with it, I don't think you are, but if you are, just read the articles. Okay, that's all for today. We'll come back here and restart next time. Bye bye.